Hello everyone and welcome to my fun math lesson. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add basic fractions. Specifically, for this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to add 1/2 and 1/4. So first, you need to have a common denominator. And this is when both of the denominators are the same. To get your common denominator in this problem, you will need to multiply 1/2 by 2/2. After you do this, you will get 2/4. Finally, you just need to add 2/4 and 1/4, and you will get your final answer, 3/4. I will give you a practice problem in this video to do, and it will be 1/4 plus 1/8. The answer will be in my next video, so make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on to see when I post the next video. I hope this helps you guys, and if you have any questions about this video or want me to do another video answering your question, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed, drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more math. Thank you.